3rd May 2026, 22 lakh students sit for NEET, and by 12th May, the exam gets cancelled. At least 14 students have already committed suicide till now, and the government is seriously considering using the Indian Air Force to transport the question papers for the retest. Just think about the mental state of these students right now. And this is not even the first time. Almost the exact same thing happened in 2024. So the real question is, why does this keep happening? What are the real loopholes? First, NTA doesn't handle the paper end to end. They outsource almost everything from printing, transport to storage to the private vendors. Multiple contractors handle the same seal packet before it even reaches the exam center. Break the link anywhere and we have got the leak. And clearly it's been broken. Second, physical papers travel thousands of kilometers and sit in local bank lockers and private centers before they reach the examination center. Those are the days where anyone with the access, a local contact, a vendor, a center coordinator can get in. Digital exam doesn't have this problem, but NEET is still pen and paper. Third, NTA has no real permanent staff. Yes, it runs on contractual workers. That means there is no long-term institutional memory, no security culture. This problem has been flagged by the Parliament Standing Committee itself. Still, there is no change. This time, among those arrested are the NTA insiders. And that tells you the story itself. Fourth, a single day, all or nothing format creates a massive black market. A single day can destroy 2 years of hard work. So students and their parents are willing to pay lakhs to the paper leak mafias. This desperation, until and unless this desperation exists, the demand for leaks will also exist. The education minister has accepted that there was a breach. Oh yes, it was. And has promised that NEET will shift to a computer-based examination from next year. That's the start, but the retest is still on 21st June. And it's still pen and paper. And it will still be run by the same broken system. The IAF can definitely fly the papers, but that doesn't fix who's handling them on ground.